Hey children, hope you're all ready for the science class. In the previous videos, you learnt about various animals from which wool is obtained. You also learnt about the various breeds of sheep which are grown all across the globe, as well as the ones which are specifically grown in our country. In today's class, children, we will learn about wool production. The various process which are involved in the wool production are shearing, scouring, grading or sorting, dyeing, drying, and the making of yarn. Now, what is shearing? Shearing is nothing but the removal of fleece from the sheep. It does not hurt the sheep at all because it is just like the haircut that you get it done in the barber shop. It doesn't hurt you, right? Same way, this does not hurt the sheep. Moreover, it does good only for the sheep because during summer the sheep would feel very hot if the fleece is left on the sheep itself. So now removing this fleece is better, good for the sheep as well as for us. Now after the process of shearing, it is washed. The fleece is washed properly to remove the dirt. Scouring is this process. The next process is grading or sorting. From this name itself you will understand what is the meaning of this sorting. That is the wool based upon its length, its texture and its quality and all that. It is sorted into different varieties. It is then sent for dyeing. Basically, the wool of the sheep is of three colors, commonly three colors: white, brown or black. Now, but you get sweaters and shawls in different colors, right? How is that? It is because they are dyed. And after dyeing, it is put in big containers and with the help of machines, drying also takes place. And then it is sent to the mill. In the mill, this sheets which are called silver. The sheet is twisted into a rope called silver and then it is made into bales like this, and finally small bundles are wound. It is made by wounding around like this over a stick or something, and then it is sent to the shop from where this wool is brought by the people and they knit it into various dress materials. Now, during the process of wool production, there are burrs which are removed by the people who produce the wool. What are these burrs? Burrs are small, soft, fluffy, unwanted pieces of fiber in the wool. And this can be removed manually itself. The people just remove it manually, and this process called as deburring. Why should this be removed? Because to maintain the quality of the wool. Okay, and next one is bioclip. Bioclip is a modern technology which was developed by scientists in Australia. For this process, they inject the sheep with a special type of hormone and then tie the sheep with a tight hair nuts. You see in the picture here, right? Hair, very thin nets are tied over the sheep so that in a duration of 3 weeks, the fleece is peeled off easily. This technology is called as bioclip. Now in the previous video, I told you about breeding or breeds for the sake of desirable characters. Special type of sheep are, the research is going on in this field, and people do selective breeding to get such special breeds. Now, what is this selective breeding? It is to get the desirable characters in an offspring or a small or the baby sheep. So the parents are selected. The breeders select two parents that have beneficial characteristics to reproduce, yielding offspring with those desired traits. Traits is nothing but the characteristics. So, for the sake of getting good wool, the breeders select the parents, and the small baby sheep which is born out of those parents will have the desired traits. This is a upcoming good technology for getting very good quality of wool, disease resistant sheep and all that, so that the farmers are benefited. Health hazards for wool industry workers. Now, as looking at these pictures, you will know that there are so many machineries involved, but still the wool and the small pieces would keep lingering in the air, and this will cause respiratory diseases like asthma, bronchitis, and these workers will also suffer from some skin infections. Other health problems include headache, fever, back pain, neck pain, etc. These are common for any hard working laborer. Okay, so these are all common hazards in the wool industry. Sorter's disease. Sorter's disease, actually this is an almost eradicated one, but this occurs because of a cattle disease known as anthrax. If the cattle or the sheep has this anthrax, and the sheep is brought for peeling away the fleece, those workers also get affected by the bacteria. Bacteria is Bacteria bacillus anthracis, and because of this reason, this anthrax was called as the wool sorter's disease. Okay, children, and these days these wool sorters are vaccinated so that they do not get affected by the sorter's disease. Now, in order to get good variety of sheep, I told you there is so much of research going on. It's called as in India also, researchers are doing so much of work regarding this. The Central Sheep and Wool Research Institute in India, which is taking very good steps for getting good variety of sheep, disease resistant sheep, and also good type of wool production, for the sake of wool production. So if people want to do research in this field, they need to get a degree or diploma in a subject called as animal husbandry.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning.
Have you heard this song before, children? Nice song, right? Have you seen a mulberry bush? Now, the question is this: how is this mulberry bush connected to your lesson? Keep thinking about this. We'll meet the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.